Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Hope you're having a fantastic weekend so far. Today we are on August the 16th of 2025, and we've made it to day number 118 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a one-year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank. We're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year. All right. So go back and watch these videos from this channel so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing and the journey that we've, come from. Okay. So I'm just here to show you guys how easy it is to send out emails and then also show you the results from the emails that we send out every single night. Okay. Now you can skip ahead of this video if you want to just go right to the results. So you can see if we did get any traffic or got any results from last night's emails. But for right now, I'm just kind of going to go through everything, step by step. That way we don't miss a beat. And you guys kind of know what to do. Okay. So we're on day number 118. Let's go ahead and hop right to it. Now, if you guys have no idea what My Lead Gen Secret is. My Lead Gen Secret is an email service. They provide 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. We call them business opportunity leads. Basically, this traffic, these people care about making money online. Okay. So the best offers work with this traffic are offers that are related to making money. Okay. So I've promoted just a little bit about myself. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, guys. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. But this traffic, it is cold traffic. Okay. So these people got to get warmed up to us. They got to, get familiar with our emails. And then eventually they'll start buying from us, start purchasing from us. Okay. So I just wanted to put that out there, guys. You have to come in every single day and send out emails. Now, the cool thing about My Lead Gen Secrets, you can come in every single day and send out an email. Okay. Now, you can promote different offers from different networks if you want. It doesn't have to be ClickBank. ClickBank is just what I'm using for this video series because it's ClickBank is a free service to get started. It doesn't cost you anything to get started, and you can get started like today to start working and start sending out those emails. Okay, and then getting paid through your affiliate link. Okay. Now, other offers, networks that work with this is Warrior Plus, JV Zoo offers. These are places I've already tested. Blue Media Ventures, okay, which is a CPA network, and then also Max Bounty is another one that I've promoted and I've promote still to this day. So just wanted to throw that out there with you as far as offers and what offers do convert. It's not just one place and it's not just one offer. Okay. You have the right email. Okay. And you keep sending out the same emails over and over and over again. Eventually someone's going to, keep looking at your email and they'll eventually, want to buy from you. Okay. So that's what that is, guys. That's how all that works. Okay. Now this system is super easy to do, guys, because all you have to do is copy and paste or create an email. Okay, in the mailing system and click send. That's all you got to do. Okay. And also, you want to get your affiliate link. Now, you can promote the My Lead Gen Secret itself using this tab right here in your back office. You're going to have an affiliate ID. You can create an email and use and just promote the service. And that works as well because I've done that. But also, you can use the most popular way is going to be using like a CPA network or an affiliate marketing network that you can go to for marketers and you can grab different offers, okay, in the business opportunity niche, okay? So once you get started, guys, your back office is going to look exactly like this, okay? The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Obviously, we're going to be, sending out emails on different days, so we're not going to see the same emails, but the tabs are going to be the same. Okay, so you have the My Leads tab, you got the master email swipes, you got the mailing system. This is really where you're going to be hanging out at. Okay, this is where you send out all your emails. So if you come in here to this tab, you click on select all. What that's going to do, it's going to select all your emails and it's going to load them up. Excuse me, it's going to load them up. Okay, that way you can send out one email and it's going to go out to all of these people. Okay. You have a subject line right here that you got to put in, and then also you got to click on perfect timing. And if you go back and watch these previous videos, I'm kind of going through in depth on how to copy an email over from the offer that we're using, and then also come here to the My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. But what I'm gonna do, since we've been going through this so much, every time you send out an email, guys, it's going to be stored into this list right here. Okay. So this list is going to hold quite a few emails. Okay. So all you would do after submit, send these emails manually. Basically, we have to copy and paste everything in. Once you do that, they're stored in here. Okay. They're all stored in here. So basically, what you can do is you can pick an email and then you can click on load. Okay. And what's that going to do, guys? That's going to load up the email for you. And then you come here to click perfect timing and you go ahead and click on send now. And then what that does is sends out that email that you sent out, 30 days ago or whatever, or 40 days ago. And you can use that email and start sending out those emails back again and over and over and over. Okay. Right now I have 8 different accounts. Okay. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails every single day. It's very, very easy to do, guys. And I would recommend you guys getting started. Okay. Now, I'm going to leave a link below this video. Okay. So if you come here and you come down here to the more tab, and it's going to be this link right here. Just click on this tiny URL, MLGS Freedom. Click on that. Okay. And then it's going to take you to the landing page of the My Lead Gen Secret system. Okay. You come down here, you see all these people making money. A lot of people are making money with this traffic, guys. So these are just testimonials that you can see. I mean, they're making money, I'm making money, and there's other people making money as well. So go ahead and click on here now to go ahead and get started. All right. Um, Once you get started, send me an email. Let me know that you did sign up. That way I can send you some bonus stuff. Okay. That way you can hit the ground running. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you would get started. There is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, okay? And then $30 a month to keep the service, okay, which is a no-brainer, all right? So $30 a month to gain thousands of people coming in every single month is just a no-brainer, guys. And this traffic is you'll be getting, traffic as long as you are staying with the program and paying for the program, you're going to be getting traffic every single day. Okay. So a lot of these people that like myself, that love this service, we've been with this service over a few years, couple years, 3 years, right? And we love it because it makes money. It's a great traffic source for you to get started. Okay. Like I said, it is cold traffic, so you can't expect just to come in and send out one email, a couple of emails, and then think you're going to make hundreds and thousands of dollars next week. It just doesn't work that way. You actually got to put in the time, and you got to come in here and you got to stay consistent. That's the biggest thing is staying consistent with this method, guys, because if you can come in and stay consistent, you're going to see results. And then in the end, you're going to start seeing, sales. Okay. So that's how you would do it, guys. You would just load that email up. Okay. Once you send it out the first time, it has your clickable link right here. And then you come down here and click on send now. Okay. Just make sure you got perfect timing. And that's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. It's just super easy to do, guys. A lot of people can do this. All right. It doesn't take a lot of effort. All right. This right here, guys, is my ClickBank account. Okay. I have multiple ClickBank accounts. But this account I strictly made just for you guys so I can show you what it would look like if you were to get started brand new. Okay. If you come in and send out emails every single day and you have multiple accounts, you could do this and, start earning these results. Okay. And this is pretty much nothing compared to what we're going to get with the system. All right. So, this is ClickBank. This is the back office here. There's been an algorithm. It seems like lately we've been getting sales either every 2 days or every other day, okay, or every day, okay. So we are going to go over today's results. Today doesn't look like we earned anything today, so let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab here, and let's see where all this came from. All right. Oh, excuse me, I got a little allergies today, guys, so bear with me. We are promoting a offer called Social Sales Rep, which is right here. Okay. We got 693 hops and 678 unique hops. These are brand new IP addresses that went to our checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason or they did not buy. Okay. So I'm not sure if we ran into a standstill right now. I haven't been seeing any initial sales, no new brand new sales. Okay. Have been coming in. So I'm going to, take a look back at these emails just to kind of see which emails are performing better. And then, maybe we can zero in on some of those emails that are performing a little bit better. But right now, we're just kind of going down the road and we're sending out the same emails over and over and over. Okay. So I'm wondering if we got some kind of email fatigue to where we kind of need to switch things up a little bit, but I'm going to check into that. Okay. So no initial sales and no rebills today. These are people that already signed up and that possibly, are going to get billed for the program. And we didn't get nothing like that today. All right. But we did have a few these last few days. So just be on the lookout for that. Okay. I'm not going to make this video super long. I just wanted to come in, show you guys the results on what it looked like. Okay. If you were to get started, okay, you're not going to just start making all this money starting out because nobody does. Okay. You have to work your way up to this thing. And there's a lot of people out there. Well, there's a few people out there that are making pretty good money doing this. Okay. And there's some people out there that doesn't make, a lot of money. It doesn't make any money at all doing it. Okay. So, I just wanted to show you guys what's possible for you and your family if you were to come in, and you were to start sending out emails. You can come in and stay consistent, and guys, you will see progress. You will see results, okay, if you stick with it, all right? Some people, haven't seen their first sale or anything for it took them a couple weeks, okay? Took them a few weeks, took them a couple months, right? Took them a 5 to 6 months, okay, 7 months, okay, before things started to take off, okay? So, stick with the guys. Stick with me during the series. Hit this like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Subscribe to the channel, okay? So you can get the alert whenever I do send out these videos. That way you can just watch this whole progress on, watch this journey, okay, on what we're doing and see this thing actually take off and get off the ground to where we are earning money every single day. Okay, that is the goal, to make money with this thing every single day, and to just, I come out here just to help others. I'm not asking anything for return or anything like that, but maybe like a like or something like that, or subscription. That way I can kind of show you guys what I do, okay, to earn income online. And this is probably the easiest thing and the lowest thing that I do to actually make money. I really don't look at this as me making, money and, doing a lot with it, but it is extra money right now for, groceries or gas or anything like that that you can do. Okay. Now, once you work this thing full time, you come in, send out emails, and you stick with this thing after over 6 months, then this thing, you're actually committed to this thing. Okay. You can probably look into getting a full time income out of this thing because you're committed into sending out emails every single day and not missing days. Okay. So I sent out my emails already tonight, guys. I'm going to meet up back up here with you guys tomorrow, at the same time, same place, and we'll go over our results and dig in a little bit deeper. Okay. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.